When it comes to enhancing your home's value, few upgrades offer a return as impressive as new window installation. For homeowners in Melville, replacing or upgrading windows not only transforms the look of a home but also improves its comfort, energy efficiency, and market appeal. Let's explore how this simple renovation can deliver long-lasting benefits and increase your property's worth. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, especially when it comes to real estate. Outdated or damaged windows can make even a well-maintained home appear neglected. Installing modern, stylish windows gives your property an instant facelift. Whether you choose sleek vinyl frames, elegant wood finishes, or energy-efficient fiberglass, new windows complement the architecture and create a polished, welcoming look. Buyers in Melville appreciate homes that look move-in ready, and fresh window installations often signal that the property has been well cared for. This visual appeal can make your home stand out in listings and open houses, often leading to faster and higher offers. Improved energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a major factor for today's homeowners and buyers. With Melville's seasonal temperature shifts, old or poorly sealed windows can lead to significant heat loss in winter and unwanted heat gain in summer. Installing double or triple pane windows with low emissivity, low E coatings dramatically improves insulation and reduces energy consumption. Lower utility bills are not only attractive to potential buyers but also deliver immediate monthly savings. Many homeowners recoup part of their investment through reduced energy costs, and energy-efficient windows can even qualify for tax credits or rebates in some areas. Increased home comfort. New window installations help create a more consistent indoor temperature and eliminate drafts that make certain rooms uncomfortable. Modern designs also reduce exterior noise, perfect for Melville homeowners living near busy streets or lively neighborhoods. With improved comfort comes enhanced livability. Buyers who walk into a quiet, temperature-stable home immediately perceive it as more valuable. Window installation, therefore, contributes both to practical comfort and to the emotional appeal of a home. Better home security. Safety and security are top concerns for homeowners. Old or deteriorating windows can be easy targets for break-ins. In contrast, today's replacement windows often include advanced locking systems, laminated glass, and reinforced frames, all designed to deter intruders. This upgrade not only increases your peace of mind but also adds measurable value when selling your home. Buyers appreciate security features that protect their families without compromising aesthetics. Low maintenance and long-term durability. Modern window materials like vinyl and composite require little to no maintenance compared to traditional wood. They resist warping, peeling, and fading, making them an attractive choice for busy homeowners who don't want to spend weekends scraping and repainting frames. A low-maintenance home appeals strongly to buyers looking for turnkey properties. This added convenience translates into higher perceived value and can make your home more competitive in Melville's real estate market. High return on investment, ROI. According to national remodeling studies, window replacement projects typically recoup 70 to 80% of their cost upon resale. However, in desirable communities like Melville, where energy efficiency, curb appeal, and comfort are highly valued, the ROI can be even higher. The investment not only boosts resale price but also enhances your quality of life while you remain in the home. This balance of immediate and long-term benefits makes new window installation one of the smartest financial decisions a homeowner can make. Modern features and customization options. New windows offer homeowners more flexibility than ever before. From custom shapes and finishes to tinted or noise-reducing glass, you can tailor the installation to suit your preferences and your home's architectural style. These upgrades provide both aesthetic and functional value, ensuring your home stands out in Melville's competitive housing market. Conclusion: installing new windows in your Melville home is more than just a cosmetic improvement. It's a strategic investment that enhances curb appeal, reduces energy costs, improves comfort, and increases property value. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy a more beautiful, efficient living space, window installation is one upgrade that delivers consistent rewards year after year. For homeowners seeking to elevate both their lifestyle and their home's market value, now is the perfect time to explore professional window installation services in Melville.